Hello everyone, I'm Ava. Today, we are exploring a vehicle that pushes the legendary GTI badge into the realm of supercars. This is the Volkswagen Golf Design Vision GTI. Originally unveiled at the Wörthersee festival, this isn't just a concept. It's a radical statement of what happens when VW engineers are allowed to ignore the rulebook. While the standard GTI is a masterpiece of balance, the Design Vision is a masterpiece of aggression. It's wider, lower, and packs a punch that would make many exotic cars nervous. Let's dive into the details of this carbon fiber monster that redefines the hot hatch forever. Blue skies ahead. Look at that stance. The Design Vision GTI is a full 71 mm wider and 57 mm lower than a standard MK7. But the most striking feature is the C-pillar. Notice how the rear roof pillar is drawn outward as an autonomous element, creating a massive air channel that flows directly to the rear. This isn't just aesthetic, it's functional aerodynamics. The front end is equally sharp, featuring evil eye headlights and a massive carbon fiber blade that replaces the traditional bumper. Riding on custom 20-inch wheels with ceramic brakes peeking through, this car looks like it's doing 300 kilometers per hour even when it's standing still. It's a masterclass in reduced design, where every line serves a purpose. Under that sculpted hood lies the soul of a beast. Instead of the traditional 2.0-liter four-cylinder, VW dropped in a 3.0-liter VR6 twin-turbo FSI engine. We are talking about a staggering 503 horsepower and 560 newton-meters of torque. Thanks to the 4-motion all-wheel drive system and a 7-speed DSG transmission, this Golf rockets from 0 to 100 in just 3.9 seconds. With a top speed of 300 kilometers per hour, it's a GTI that can hunt supercars on the Autobahn. The engine is positioned to optimize the center of gravity, making it a track weapon as much as a show car. It's the ultimate tribute to the VR6 legacy, electrified by modern turbocharging technology. Inside, the Design Vision continues the racing theme. The cabin is a driver-focused sanctuary lined with anthracite Alcantara, Nappa leather, and raw carbon fiber. You'll notice the rear seats are gone, replaced by an X-shaped crossmember to maximize torsional rigidity. The steering wheel is pure motorsport, featuring integrated engine start and drive mode toggles. There's even a social racing suite that communicates with other cars on the track to share lap times and telemetry. One of my favorite details? The door handles are simple red fabric loops, a direct nod to Porsche Cup cars. It's an interior that tells you exactly what this car was built for: pure, unadulterated speed. The Golf Design Vision GTI is a reminder that the GTI brand is about more than just practicality, it's about passion. It's a vision of a future where performance has no ceiling. While we may never see a production version with a 500 horsepower VR6, its design DNA has influenced every GTI that followed. I'm Ava, and I want to know, if VW put this into limited production today, would you choose it over a Porsche 911? Is this the ultimate Golf ever made? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive looks into automotive history.